Today we're going to chat about minerals and hydration. Are they really worth all the hype? Do you need to join the bandwagon and grab a bunch of these little packets to toss in your purse so that you stay hydrated every single day? Stay tuned and I'm going to answer all your questions. Hi guys, I'm Valentino and I help women just like you with nutrition and fitness so that you can live an awesome lifestyle in a body that you absolutely love. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that. If you grab value from this video, make sure to like and share. So should you jump on the mineral bandwagon? Do you actually need minerals to stay hydrated, or is drinking enough water enough? So the quick answer is that yes, you do need minerals to stay hydrated. However, do you actually need to be pouring them into your water every day? Well, that depends on what you want to get out of your body as far as athletic performance. So you actually need two things to stay properly hydrated. You need electrolytes, which are minerals, and you also need carbohydrates. So here's what's crazy. 1 gram of carbohydrates actually holds 4 grams of water in our body, as well as electrolytes that we're familiar with, like sodium, magnesium, potassium. They actually help our body and our system hang on to the water that we drink every day and put that to proper use. So if you are a woman looking to be lean and strong and really prioritize your athletic performance, I'm gonna rattle off just a few reasons that you make sure that you are adding minerals or electrolytes to your water every day. The top one is athletic performance. Sodium, chloride, potassium, magnesium, and calcium are needed for the best muscle performance that you can ask for. Also, magnesium is vital for muscle function and nerve function. Electrolytes also support a healthy heart, proper pH balance in our body. Here's a good one for you. They are vital for tissue recovery. So it's not just about working out hard and prioritizing endurance, but if you don't recover well from that, you're not going to see athletic performance gains or leanness gains as well. Also, regulating fluid balance. So it's not just about pounding a ton of water, it's making sure that that water is put to use in our system, and minerals are messengers that do just that. If the athletic performance part didn't convince you to jump on the bandwagon, then I want to tell you that electrolytes are also for brain function and you not experiencing brain fog. They also matter so much for energy metabolism and keeping your energy high each day so we can crush through those to-do lists. And then the other one that is so important, especially for us females, is thyroid function. Mainly selenium and iodine, but also magnesium, and there's a few others, but they're to keep our thyroids really healthy and our metabolism strong. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you 2 minerals that I use in my everyday life, and I'm gonna give you the reasons that I love them both. Modere is the first one, and their product is called Revitalize. I do wanna mention to you that I am an affiliate with this company in full transparency, but this one has a great array of minerals in it, from magnesium to zinc to selenium to iodine. All of the ones that are vital for energy and thyroid function are all in here, plus the basics. It also has a great Himalayan mineral called Shilajit in here, and fulvic acid as well, helps you absorb the minerals really well and really keeps your energy high. However, it does all of this without caffeine, which I feel like is very important. The other one that I love is a company called Element. If you are looking for just the basics, sodium, magnesium, and potassium, this will be your go-to. They have awesome flavors, and I love the orange, but I also use the chocolate in the mornings in my coffee. So wrapping this all up, are minerals important? Are electrolytes something to dive into? I would say yes. Just go ahead and do it. You'll see the benefits immediately.